Alright guys, so today we're going to run the Kraton. It's going to be a mucky, muddy run. It's been raining in Minnesota. I haven't ran this truck in a while, so I figured I better get it out and run it. As you can see, I did run it a little bit just to make sure. The screw came out of my front brace, and I thought maybe that was hitting the shaft and making a noise, like a grinding noise in the shaft or something, or like a you know what I mean, like a yoke noise when the truck goes to stop and the shaft pin hits the yoke. But no, it's not that. It's still doing it. We're going to run it till it breaks again. I'm thinking it's probably the rear diff again. This will be my third rear diff on this truck. If that's the case, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. Probably end up fixing it and try a different shimming process and see if that maybe helps. I do actually have new diff on the rear diff for this truck. But then another issue I'm having, I ordered this new fantastic rear hot racing shock tower. Let me get the clips on. But as you can see, for some reason this shock tower doesn't line up. I'm not sure why. Unless I pull the body over. And the more I look at this rear end, this thing looks kind of bent. So I don't know if this is already bent. But I believe it was doing this from when I first got it. Something that came bent from factory or something. But not totally sure about that. The company I got it from did tell me, well, we'll take it back, just send it back. So I'm going to send it back. Either order, maybe it's the wrong one, maybe I ordered the wrong one, I don't know. But if you look at it right here, it does look bent. But that's not for me. It's been like that since I got it. So let's take this truck out, let's get a mud bash of it here in the yard. See if it finally breaks again or what happens. And just so everyone knows, that is the sound I'm referring to. Maybe it's just something to do with me needing to turn down my brake force on this thing. Maybe my brake force is set too high. This thing sure moves. I think if I remember correctly, when I did the speed test, this thing might have actually been faster than the buggy, my Arrma Typhoon, but I don't remember. But I mean, as you guys can hear, there's all that noise I've been talking about. But if I do end up keeping this thing, I'm probably going to go online and invest in the GPM diffs. Not diffs, but ring and pinions. My internal gears have been fine, so I probably won't do nothing with them. But I will just replace the ring and pinion with the GPM hardened steel one and see what happens. See if it changes anything at all. But I will say, guys, this the servo I got in here was about $25. It's been holding up just awesome. It's quick, it's fast. I mean, look at that. Works great. No complaints about this servo. But there's that noise again. I don't know, maybe I'll take the diff apart tonight and if it doesn't break, and see if I can see what's going on with it. I don't like tearing things apart if they're not fully broke. That's the way I am. Mosquitoes are getting bad out here now. Minnesota. Ooh. Something else, if you guys came over from my, if you're watching this video and you've been on my other channel and seen my other videos, you know about 2 weeks ago, I snapped a rear. That's about how long I've had this truck out. It's been about 2 weeks. I snapped a rear A-arm. So I did put RPM on the rear, and I have new RPMs for the front. Just haven't installed them yet. So I just need to get those installed. I haven't done it yet. They haven't broke. Like I said, I don't like replacing things if it don't break. But eventually I'll probably put them on, trying to keep them this. If I end up selling it, well, the seller will get the RPM arms. But yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I don't know why I keep destroying diffs in this thing. I've got tons of RC trucks that jump. I know how to jump, as everyone's seen. On my channel, I'm not hitting the throttle when it comes down off jumps or nothing hard. I think it might be something to do with the brakes on this thing being too, the brake force being too snappy, but I don't know. There it again. But I will say this thing is fun to drive. It's tons of fun to drive. Trying to get ate alive now by bugs. Might have to call tonight and go in soon, just because of the bugs out here. Okay, so I think that's gonna be it for this video, guys. There it was, guys, another Kraton bash. Unsuccessful, nothing broke. Still hearing that noise though, of course. I'm gonna have to dig into it and figure out what it is or what's going on. So I don't know, well, let me know what you guys think. Do you think I should try trading this thing off? Should I try getting something else? Should I try getting another Typhoon, maybe build a speed build or something? Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe.